So if I were to go around over here on the left side and go to all mails, then you can see that I got quite a lot of mails right here. And I just may want to go around and see a certain type of email. And for that, what I can do is I can use the filter option. So for that, I'm just going to go around and select the type of mail that I want to filter right here. And once I do that, I can go to more and then I can click on filter messages like these. So now you can see that I am filtering this from from right here, just like this. And let's say I just want to go around and have something on the subject as well, and I want to filter out the mails as per that. So I'm just going to go around over here and filter it out as updated right here. So once I do that and click on search right here, then only the mail from that particular person, that is that particular email, and the one with updated text right here on the subject pops up right here. If I were to go around over here and click on this and go to the filter section, filter messages like these, then you can go around and then let's say, for example, you can search for has the word event over here just like this. You can also define the size like greater than or less than, or you might want to filter out emails with attachments only right over here just like this as well, and click on search. So once you do that, you can see that the filtering options gets applied right here, and that is what you have. You can go around over here onto filter messages like these, and this is what you have. As you can see, you can click on create filter to further go around and add in more filters. Let's say, for example, when a message is an exact match for the search criteria, maybe you want to star it, maybe you want to apply a label and so forth over here. So let's say I want to apply label for the updated invitation section right here. I'm just going to go around and add in a new label, invitation, right over here, and click on OK. An invitation label has been created. So now what I can do is I can go around over here, click on this, and go to the three dot button right here. So once I go around over here, you don't really see the filtering option, but let me just go around and click on the three dot button right here. So sometimes that happens, so let me just go around on to the all mail section, select it, and go around over here, click on the filter message like this, click on create filter right here. And then now what I'm going to do is for these type of messages right here, so from TutorTube channel 3 and with the subject updated, I'm just going to go around over here and then create a filter right here. For the updated, I'm just going to go around and choose a label, invitation, right here. And let's say I'm just going to go around and then also go around and apply this to star. So I want to star them as well. So let's just create the filter and let's see what happens now. So now you can see that the filter has been created right here, and whenever we receive any other messages as such, then what happens is that it'll automatically move on to invitation right here. But for the current messages, it hasn't moved out. That is because it's for the new emails that you receive. So now I can go around over here, as you can see, onto all mails and then utilize the filter option, which is very, very vast, as you can see right here. So the filter option, updated right here, create outer filter right here, just like this. So instead of applying it to only the new mails, let's say I want to apply it to the current one. So I can just go around and choose this and star it over here and apply the label over here as well, and select out, let's say, invitation, and click on create filter. And what happens is that it'll apply it over here on the current ones as well. So if I were to go around over here in the invitation, you can see everything has been added in as a star right here, and there's an invitation over there just like that as well. And that is how you can go around and then filter out emails inside of Gmail. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.